Distinct reach. Now, nice show of respect from both these incredible fighting nations. Thought about the jumping knee to Samussev. He's landing big with the kicks. And even though they were blocked on the forearms, they can have a debilitating effect.
Can break the forearm, Brave Nation. If that hardened shin, that shin that's been running into heavy bags for a decade, if it runs into a forearm, it can break the radius or the ulna or both.
Nice pop and jab. Again, we have that southpaw orthodox dynamic. As you alluded to earlier, Kirik, keep an eye on the outside leg. Big shots being landed by Samussev. Needs to be wary when he's exiting the pocket. It's a nice takedown. I was just saying that when Samussev is exiting the pocket, the chin's very, very high. Nurmatov gets in on a great takedown, and now you're seeing that hallmark of the Sport Club Ilhas fighters, that grinding style, the takedown.
It is really, really tough, Brave Nation, to get a takedown in Brave Combat Federation cage. But Nurmatov seems to be not just getting the takedown, but holding his opponent down. That is quite a feat in and of itself. Step 3, of course, is start striking from top.
Looks like he has that wrist control. It'll be interesting to see if he passes that underneath Samussev. Catches it with the other hand. Samussev has 2 butterflies now. See if he's going to attempt to elevate and sweep.
So far, we're not seeing any striking from top.
Passes to the half, but then reclaims the butterfly. Nice work by Samussev.
Samussev looking to stand.
Oh, Nurmatov trying to shelf those legs. But again, good work with the butterflies from Samussev.
Butterflies are stopping any significant strikes from coming down.
Also stopping any progression. May try and push away and get up, but eats a big shot on his way up.
Барына чексиз. Бір чумаға болгону 550 сом. Керектүүнүн баары бир тарифте. Чексиз интернет, бардык тыйындарга чалуулар, мессенджерлер, социалдык тармактар, телеканалдар, фильмдер, сериалдар. Жана есимди акысыз кошобуз. Барына эң сонун мүмкүндүктөр. Переходи на ОМ. Барына чексиз.
Absolutely.
A little bit of a cheeky fence grab right there. We got a hook in. We got 2. We got a
body triangle.
Body triangle.
And what I love is the way that he's got his instep laced against the back leg for a little bit of extra torque and control. Very, very intelligent from Nurmatov. The body triangle. Every time you take a breath out, you're essentially constricting yourself even further.
The escape from here, Brave Nation, is not a simple one.
You need to roll to the side that it's locked on, just as Samussev is trying to do, but also needs to be wary of not giving up the neck. He's doing the right thing. He's trying to alleviate some of that pressure by rolling to the side that it's locked on. But Nurmatov trying to sneak that arm underneath. As we said, all of his submission wins coming by way of rear naked choke. He looks like he's on his way to number 4. Has the bicep grip. This could be it.
Tight. This may be short time, Brave Nation. Referee checking to make sure he's not asleep. He's not. Gave the referee a thumbs up.
Good job by Samussev to fight the hands.
Maybe fading to black, though.
He looks like he's safe. Beautiful work from Samussev. We thought that was deep.
With that body triangle still in place, though, breathing is very, very compromised. Blood supply to the brain may have been a little bit compromised. This is not an easy place to be.
Samussev still not out of danger. Nurmatov trying to work for that rear naked choke. It still has over a minute with which to get that work in, Kirik. Samussev trying to turn in towards Nurmatov. If he does that, he would find himself in the advantageous position, but
not likely to happen. If he wants to turn, he has to get his opponent's knee aiming up, and then he may be able to explode those hips. Right now, there's simply too much contact for it to be likely to work.
Nice wrist control here from Nurmatov. Switching arms, trying to dig that blade underneath the chin. It's incredible back control from Nurmatov.
Samussev trying to get in a couple of shots of his own.
Needs to protect that neck, needs to try and go 2-on-1 on that arm, swing the arm over his head like a baseball bat.
Nurmatov just doing a phenomenal job here of riding, striking, tiring his opponent out.
Very dominant first round for Nurmatov. And I don't think anybody's surprised.
Medical, our health and sleep partner.
Oh! Something happened there. Injury. Fight's over. Injury to the knee. I'm not sure what happened.
Brave Nation, we're going to have to get a replay of that.
Oh, the knee just seemed to give from underneath him. Nurmatov, much to his credit, isn't celebrating, isn't jumping around. Oh, and you can see the distress on his face. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to see exactly what happened. We're going to have to see it from the start.
This unfortunately happened. I believe it's a dislocated knee. You can see a little bit of a dislocation on the inside. We unfortunately haven't yet gotten to have a look at the moment it...
Up on the... Oh no, it was because he fell. It was when he fell. He went to post out. When he fell, he went to post out.
Absolutely unbelievable injury.
That's a freak accident that you
The Brave CF 77 cage. This comes to an end at 6 seconds of round number 2. A TKO victory due to injury. Your winner out of the red corner, Adilet Nurmatov.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with Adilet Nurmatov. Obviously not the way you would want the fight to finish. Give us your thoughts on what happened.
Всем ассаламу алейкум, приветствую всех. Мои земляки тоже вот пришли поддержать меня. Огромное спасибо. Я клянусь Аллахом, не хотел, чтобы мой соперник вот так упал случайным образом и подвернул себе руку. Но на все воля Всевышнего Аллаха. Я, честно сказать, делал за него дуа, за себя дуа, чтобы мы провели этот поединок без травм. Но, к большому сожалению, получилось так, что он подскользнулся и упал. Эта победа не громкая, это тихая победа.
It's unfortunate that his opponent fell down and he dislocated his elbow. He didn't thought about it to end like this, but he was prepared to finish this fight with his win.
Now you came very close to finishing the fight in the first round. Do you feel like you were working your way to a finish in this fight?
Нет, я бы, если получилось нормально, я бы его досрочил. Но как-то не получилось. Не хотелось тратить свои силы. Я был готов даже на 5 раундов. Я готовился, я провел тренировочный лагерь очень хороший. Мои спарринг-партнеры очень мощные пацаны были. И поэтому я был готов на все 3 раунда. В принципе, закончить таким неинтересным способом бой я не хотел. Из-за этого я, можно сказать, и отпустил, чтобы не затек.
Once he found that he couldn't finish it in the first round, so he was ready to even go to 5 rounds. So that's why he was just holding it, getting ready for the next round.
Your teammate Abdisalam Ulukubanijbek is fighting in the main event. Can you give us a prediction for that fight?
Да, я считаю, что Кубаничбек Абдисаламулу лучший боец. И он заслуживает драться в UFC, драться за титул в UFC. На данный момент в этой организации 70 килограммов ему нету равных. Я это 100% всем говорю. Он номер 1 не только в Кыргызстане. Он для нас пример для подражания, самый лучший боец для меня.
He's think about him as number 1 fighter, and he's looking up to him. He said that he can win any fight.
Well, congratulations on a fantastic victory. We hope to see you again.
Также хотел поблагодарить Бахт Байке, Улан Байке и, конечно же, нашего старшего тренера, нашего брата, нашего второго отца. Это Алмбека Насипова. Ему огромное спасибо за то, что верит в меня, всегда поддерживает. Ихлас сила. Также Мухаммед Шахид. I'm ready anytime. New king here. I'm ready. 66 kilogram. I'm ready anytime.
66 kilos, he's ready to go. Congratulations.